Welcome to Selina Atitlan, located right next to Atitlan. It is like a backpacker favorite, and I'm gonna tell you why since I stayed here. As soon as you arrive, you enter to the lobby, and to the left, you have like this area. I find it perfect to relax, unwind, just chill on the chair, read some books. They were even tattooing someone there once. You have like mini football, and it's just a great area to hang out with your friends. As soon as you go like straight, you find like this amazing like movie room that I found it was super fun to have. You have like popcorn and you can ask to be made. And this is the shared kitchen, and it has nothing short. Like you have like every appliance you might ever need. It was super clean and neat, and even they have 2 fridges. But if you're not feeling like cooking, you can also go to the restaurant where they have like a pool and a ping pong table, as well as some chairs that you can order food from. And the server was super nice, and you can literally order these amazing food. I ordered like huge variety. They have fruit, like pancakes. It's literally everything that you have to ask. And it was super fresh, which I also like lots. And you can either eat it inside or outside, as I am here doing it by the pool, but I will show you the pool like in a few minutes. And here I am like going to my dorm. Okay, so now room tour. My room is 122. You slide the door. Okay, now this is our dorm. We're staying in the shared dorm, but like luckily no one ever came. I have a shared bedroom that has 4 beds. So as you can see here, we each one have towels. There's a bunk bed, a chimney. We have lockers here, which are really, really big. And we even have our private bedroom. Here you can hang your stuff, and our shower. But the hotel is like really big. You have lots of accommodation options. You can even like opt for a private one. And here I am just like showing you a bit of like another part of the hotel. It is really big, so this was like the back part of the hotel. If you cross like this wooden bridge, you will then find like this camping site. It had like little tents. It was like a private dorm. They even have like a fireplace like in the middle. It was like really nice to have like these different options of like where you can choose to stay depending on what you like, or like even depending on your budget. So just choose whatever. And also here they have like the board with like all of the activities and plans the hotel has. And in here, I'm just like taking you back like from my dorm to the pool area, or like the social area where everything happens. It has like lots of rooms. I was in 122, and I think it was like 130, and it has like 2 floors, and the floors in the back. So yeah, it's really big. But what I really liked about this place, the Wi-Fi. Like I work remotely, so this was like a huge pro for me. It was super reliable. And it was like quiet during work hours, which it was perfect for meetings. The nature like all around the hotel is very nice. Like you can hear the birds singing. And here I'm going towards the pool as promised before. It is like large enough for you to swim. It's not deep. You have like this little lounge, like chairs around it. Like that's in the back, the restaurant that I just showed you. They clean the pool daily. And you can just sit there. I actually loved working in there. They have plugs in the tables, which is very, very nice. And now, as you can see me here, I am just enjoying the day because it was super sunny by the pool. And just, hang around. It's really nice. As also, I saw these little and adorable puppies. They were by the pool, and the other one was just in the restaurant. They are actually like part of the hotel. And you can pet them, they are super sweet. And also like, if you want like another area of the hotel, not directly like next to the hotel, but like right next to the lake, you can go to the Selina bar. It is open like at night, and they even have like welcome drinks when you arrive to the hotel. You just can walk there. It's like a 3-minute walk. And the music and the ambience here was really nice. Literally just like the pictures, I'm like, it's like a lively ambience for the Panajachel town. It's like worth it. You can climb the hands if you want to, but if not, you can just like stay by the lawn chair and just enjoy the beautiful view you have of the volcanoes. Well, so Selina is not actually located in front of the lake like I am right now, but this is like a restaurant they have at the bar where you can see these hands that are in the pictures, and it's in the Calle del Embarcadero, like a 3-minute walk from the hotel, and you can actually be lakefront enjoying the sunset. Thank you for joining me on this immersive journey through Selina Atitlan. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my travel adventures, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for updates. Until next time, happy exploring!